家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. And have you ever heard of a Hakka song that combines EDM and country? Well, here it is. It's by 柏邑, and it's called 转来, which means back. ，Here's an album that was nominated for a Golden Melody Awards this year, again by 柏邑, called 转来, which means back. And that's exactly what he's singing about. The lyrics describe the complex emotions of people who left their hometowns in search of work, and when they return, they have that joy of seeing their families, but also the fear that they have changed. Let's get back to the song. 电音结合乡村就是这首彭柏邑转来的风格。歌词呢，在描述一个人离乡打拼，然后在返乡时他会抱着期待与家人见面的喜悦，但同时呢，也担心家乡是不是变得不同以往所写出来的，也非常空灵。希望你们喜欢。That's another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.